Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You got a Ford F250 and you're trying to change the AC condenser and evaporator. Well, in this video we're going to show you step by step, one at a time. After you get the grill assembly removed, undo the lines right here going to the front side. There's two nuts and they're a 1/2 inch. And make sure before you do that, vacuum down the system. Of course, most cases, 9 out of 10, it's got a leak, so the system is already depressurized anyways. Then you got the two brackets here that hold it on to the radiator support, and they're 8mm. Let's get those broke loose and you can pull this condenser out. Alright guys, once you got the lines removed, the brackets taken off that hold it in place, you can fish it up out of here. It is kind of difficult because the hood latch is in the way. You can either undo it or you can finagle it up out by turning it sideways. We're going to get it out. We'll be right back with you. Alright guys, once you move the hood latch out of the way,